Team FishFinders is made up of a group of sports fishermen, shark lovers, conservationists, and people that have the same idea that we would like to save the fish habitat and save fish in the oceans and rivers and lakes. What we do is we participate in shark research. We have a shark research program right now in the San Francisco Bay, and our partners are Sea Stewards, Monterey Bay Aquarium, and Cal Academy of Sciences. And this is a long-term shark study with both leopards, 7 gills. We're expanding to soupfin sharks, brown smoothhand sharks, and we're also going to do a mercury study in 7 gills. So we do shark research, we promote all shark conservation. We're behind sustainable seafood because without eating only sustainable seafood, we're going to lose our seafood over the next probably half a dozen years. I have came up with a safe fishing practices that we teach sport fishermen how to fish safely for the fish, not for the fishermen. Different methods of catching and release so that sport fishermen have an idea of how to properly treat the fish if they're not going to keep it. We are supporting the shark fin ban worldwide. We think it's really important. There's over 100 million sharks finned every year, and without the sharks in the ocean, our oceans will die out. Very important. And we support David McGuire's San Francisco Bay Shark Sanctuary also. We do enter in tournaments down in Mexico, and so we're avid sport fishermen both in Mexico and Alaska, and I have ways of fishing only for sustainable fish there, catch and release and that sort of thing too. So when we're out tagging, we use circle hooks and we use barbless hooks. When you use a barbless circle hook, what happens is the fish swallows the bait down in the stomach, and then when they're swimming away, you have to let it swim away. You never jerk to set a circle hook. The shark starts swimming away, and the hook gets pulled back out of its stomach and gets hooked right here in the corner of the mouth. So when we're tagging, every shark that we catch is just hooked right in the lip, which doesn't hurt the shark at all. And we're able to just, with our hands, without even pliers or gloves or anything, we're able to open the shark's mouth and just take that hook out just like it was in butter. And for me, that really says a lot about tagging, that it does not harm the sharks, and the sharks are able to swim off very vigorously. They're not bleeding, they're not hooked in any vital places, and that's why we do it that way.